Hello, everyone. I'm Rick Woychik, the director of the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences, and I'm also the director of the National Toxicology Program. So I want to extend a warm welcome to all of you to the Brain and the Environment Symposium. Now, unfortunately, I can't be there with you today, but I'm pleased that the organizers are giving me the opportunity to take a few minutes to provide opening remarks. I'd like to highlight a couple of the emerging areas of scientific focus in the new strategic plan at NIH that we feel is really especially relevant to the topic of today's symposium. So the first area relates to the exposome, which is an experimental framework that involves capturing the totality of environmental exposures over the life course. The exposome framework offers a compelling lens to explore the intricate relationship between environmental toxicants and brain disease. By capturing the totality of external influences, including pollutants, chemicals, and lifestyle factors, the exposome can provide invaluable insights into the cumulative effects of exposures on neurological health. And as you will hear today, we know that there are many different types of environmental exposures that are associated with neurological disease. And we expect that understanding how exposures interact and accumulate over time, this will be pivotal to discovering the complex pathways through which environmental toxicants contribute to neurological disease. Now, another area, an emerging area of scientific focus at NIHS is referred to as precision environmental health. This new initiative involves better understanding the molecular basis for the individual variability associated with responses to environmental exposures. And as it relates to neurological disease, precision environmental health involves better understanding the mechanistic basis for understanding the variability in response to environmental exposures that are all associated with, say, for example, the development of Parkinson's disease, development of Alzheimer's disease, as well as other neurological disorders. We know that there are genetic predispositions to the development of neurological disorders, and the precision environmental health approach will help us to understand the molecular basis for any of the gene by environment interactions that we know are at play in the development of neurological disease. The precision environmental health approach acknowledges the inherent genetic and biological variability amongst individuals across the human population. It underscores the importance of personalized strategies in addressing the complexities of studying the impact of environmental exposures on the development of neurological disorders. Through precision environmental health research, we hope to be able to identify biomarkers, identify genetic signatures, as well as other predictive indicators that could potentially inform targeted interventions to ultimately advance our ability to prevent, to diagnose, and treat with greater precision and efficacy brain diseases linked to environmental toxicants. So in closing, these emerging priority areas at NIHS, we feel, are pathways to a healthier future where we understand, we can prevent, and mitigate the impact of environmental exposures on human health. As NIHS director, I am committed to advancing research that will help to translate these findings into tangible solutions and to gain a better understanding of the complex interplay between environmental factors and the development of neurological disease. Again, I'm sorry that I could not be there with you today. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoy today's symposium.